Time to jump into Pay Hero Kenya. We've got their website up here. And, I think this is going to be really interesting for, for anyone who owns a business in Kenya.
Yeah, definitely.
Like, this could be a serious game changer, but we need to break it down to figure out why.
Yeah, for sure. So, one of the things that jumps out at me right away is how much they focus on automation. It's not just about processing payments. It's really like they're trying to, I think they want to change how businesses in Kenya think about their finances.
Right.
Like the whole thing.
Yeah, their tagline is automate payments, save time, reduce errors, increase efficiency. That's a pretty big claim, right?
Yeah, it is. But I think it speaks to a real need. Just think about it. You're running a business in Kenya. You've got payments coming in from all over the place, from MPESA, bank transfers, maybe even some international platforms, trying to keep track of all of that, reconciling transactions. It takes up so much time.
Yeah, it's a huge time suck.
Exactly. And that's what PayHero is trying to eliminate.
Yeah, so you can spend less time on spreadsheets and more time actually growing your business.
Exactly. And they're not just talking about saving a little bit of time either. They're actually claiming that businesses can save up to 70% of the time they currently spend on payment processing.
70%?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's huge.
Okay, I'm sold on the whole saving time thing. That's amazing. But how does all this automation actually work? They mention APIs and integrations on their website.
Yeah.
But it all seems kind of, a bit techy,
Yeah, sure. Okay, well, think of PayHero as like a central hub for all your financial activity.
Okay.
And their APIs let them connect directly to all those different platforms, like MPESA, banks, everything.
So you don't have to log into 5 different accounts just to check your payments.
Exactly. It all flows into PayHero automatically.
So it's like one dashboard to rule them all.
Exactly. And it means you can do more than just see the payments. You can reconcile them, generate reports. You can even get real-time notifications on your phone whenever a payment comes in.
So like if you're at the market and someone pays an invoice, you get a notification right away.
Exactly.
That's amazing.
It gives you so much more agility.
Wow. And they're using WhatsApp too, right?
Absolutely. They're really tapping into how Kenyans communicate.
Right.
And how they do business.
Makes sense.
You can manage MPESA till and pay bill numbers, send invoices. You can even receive payments all through WhatsApp.
Oh, wow.
Which is super valuable in a country where so many people rely on their phones.
Yeah, for sure. It sounds like they're really focused on the Kenyan market.
They are.
Like they're not just trying to force some generic solution on a completely different context.
Right. They really seem to understand the nuances of how businesses operate here.
Yeah, and that attention to detail shows in their services. It's not just basic payment processing. They've got tools for managing bank accounts, fundraising, even this what is it, conversational commerce?
Oh, yeah. That's a big one.
Okay, so before we dive into the specifics of all that, can we take a step back and define this conversational commerce thing?
Yeah.
Because I have a feeling it's pretty important to what they're doing.
You're right. It is. So basically, conversational commerce is all about integrating commerce into the way people already communicate.
Yeah.
Like, think about how much we all use messaging apps like WhatsApp.
Every day, pretty much.
Exactly. And PayHero lets businesses capitalize on that by enabling transactions and customer interactions right within those apps.
Oh, that's interesting. So instead of directing customers to a website or a physical store, you're meeting them where they already are.
Exactly.
It's all about making things easier.
Yeah, for both the customer and the business. You can send payment links, answer questions, provide customer support, all through the apps people are already using every day.
Now, that's smart. And it seems to be working for them. Their website mentions they work with all kinds of businesses, not just a specific niche.
Yeah, they're definitely aiming to be versatile. They list online sellers, physical shops, websites using APIs.
Yeah, so it's not just for tech-savvy startups. It's also for those more traditional brick-and-mortar businesses.
Yeah.
The ones that are the backbone of the Kenyan economy.
Right.
I'm starting to see how PayHero is positioning itself at the forefront of this whole digital transformation that's happening in Kenya.
They are. They're ahead of the curve.
It's impressive.
Yeah.